Whenever we're trying to do something and we take a while to take action, we take the longer we take to start moving, to start doing something about that thing that we want to do, the more difficult it is for us to really have that conviction, to really commit to it. We start feeling that fear. We already feel the fear most of the time, so that's why we don't move. Now, this is one thing that is very important to remember. Time is the best ally of conviction, meaning the longer we take to do something, the more convincing we are that we are not prepared to do that something. So time is the best ally of conviction, and therefore time is the best ally of fear. When we don't do something and we take long to do it, or we don't do it at all because we just moving it back, I'll try tomorrow, I'll try next week, and we just take longer and longer to take action, we just convince ourselves even more and more. The fear in us grows. The fear in us develops and it gets bigger and bigger. And we start convincing ourselves that we are not prepared to do that. And as we convince ourselves that we are not good enough, the fear of doing it is growing. And the fear grows, then we extend it even more and more and more. That's why I say time is the ally of conviction. Therefore, time is the ally of fear as well. And all three things go hand in hand.